To troubleshoot service loss, first check Spectrum's coverage map via their app or website to confirm signal availability in your area. Next, perform an APN reset by navigating to your phone's settings, usually under Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point names. Reset to defaults or manually enter Spectrum's APN, username Internet, APN Spectrum. For iPhone users, navigate to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Data Network, and enter the same APN settings. Also, try basic troubleshooting steps like restarting your device, toggling airplane mode on and off, and ensuring your operating system is up to date. For persistent issues, contact Spectrum support for a SIM card swap or network diagnostics. The Spectrum app now includes automated APN reset tools. If in a rural area, ensure your device is 5G compatible and prioritize band 12 in your APN settings, if possible, for better coverage. If you suspect a broader outage, the Spectrum app's one-tap APN reset, as seen in the Midwest outage case study, where a fiber cut in Illinois affected 500,000 Spectrum mobile users, restored connectivity for 70% of users within minutes.